and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Irene and this is the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining us. If you've been with us before, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. This is the best way you can support us. And turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time we have a new video up. Today, we bring you the Hella Contemporary 4-bedroom house plan, and I think you're gonna love this one. This is a spacious contemporary home built around a semi-open plan setup. All the rooms in this home, that is the bedrooms, the living areas, the kitchen, they are all very generously sized, and this makes for a very comfortable home. And when it comes to hangout spaces, you're spoiled for choice both upstairs and downstairs. You have a lovely family room, a welcoming entrance porch, and a beautiful balcony where you can set up a cozy outdoor sitting area. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup, starting from the carport. As you arrive, you're greeted by a semi-enclosed entrance porch with a beautiful pergola roof overhead. Honestly, this is such a lovely space to set up an outdoor sitting area. Imagine relaxing in this space with a cup of tea. From here, you step into the entrance lobby, and this is also where you find the staircase, thoughtfully tucked away from the main flow of family movement so it doesn't interrupt your daily life. Moving on, the living room and dining room flow beautifully together in an open plan layout, giving your family plenty of room to gather to relax and to entertain. Next, we have a spacious kitchen, giving your family all the space they need for cooking, along with generous storage cabinets. Plus, we have also provided a pantry and a store for all your extra storage needs. Tucked away at the kitchen is a laundry area, offering you a nice corner where you can set up your washer and dryer. Right outside the kitchen, there's an outdoor dobby area, very practical for everyday household tasks. On this same floor, at the very end, you'll find a spacious bedroom complete with its own walk-in closet. Right next to this bedroom, you have a full bathroom. This conveniently serves both this bedroom and your guests. Now let's head upstairs. The staircase leads you to a spacious master ensuite bedroom, complete with a generous walk-in closet. The master bathroom is equally as spacious, featuring his and hers sinks. This is a thoughtful touch for those busy mornings. The master bedroom opens up onto its own private balcony. This is another wonderful spot where you can set up a cozy outdoor area. You can sit down, enjoy, unwind, and enjoy the views of your land. On this floor, you have another 2 bedrooms provided. Each bedroom is sized comfortably for 2 occupants. Each bedroom comes with its own private bathroom and a nice study area, perfect for kids doing homework or anyone who needs a quiet corner to focus and work. And finally, the upstairs family room. This shared space is where your family can truly relax, unwind, and create wonderful memories together. A very nice and chill area. The ground floor offers you a total of 134 square meters, while the first floor offers you a total of 121 square meters. So in total, this home has a living area of 255 square meters. The overall plinth dimensions of this home is 14.5 meters by 11.3 meters. This is what we call the plinth dimension. This home design is designed to fit on an 1/8 acre piece of land, that is a 50 by 100. This will allow you to comfortably build the home and have enough space all around you for your gardens and your outdoor living. As at July 2026, the construction cost of this home is approximately 13 million. We base this estimate on the construction rates that are provided by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. That is the latest rates they have provided for this year. As always, remember the cost of construction can vary depending on your location, depending on your materials and the finishes that you choose. And that is the Hella Contemporary 4-bedroom house plan, offering you 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms of a beautiful, well-designed home. If you would like more information about this plan or any other plan that we have featured on our YouTube channel, get in touch with us. We can customize any of our plans to fit within your needs and your budget. We have provided our telephone contacts and our email addresses below. Thank you so much for watching this video and for joining me. And until next time, keep dreaming about your perfect home. We are here to make it happen.